This is the Royal Master model TG12x4 with standard ram bed and servo cycle for automatic cycling unit. This TG12x4 grinder has over the wheel single point diamond dressing. For the grinding wheel, I'm showing air sensing dresser. For the regulating wheel, I have the standard spring loaded dresser. The servo is directly coupled with screw to the ram bed. For Thrufeed grinding, I can position my ram by way of a touchscreen control. For Infeed grinding, by way of the machine control and the servo motor, I have all of my Infeed cycle movements controlled from the retracted position to the rapid to load position, resume rapid to grind position, and then a controlled stock removal, dwell closed and retract. I'm showing the operator assist device, which is fully adjustable for position for both a Thrufeed and an Infeed grind. Allow for a quick changeover on a low volume setup. You'll bring the cycle forward to a load position. Simply load the part between the wheels, add the coolant, and then the servo cycle will advance to the stock removal, dwell closed, and retract, and the part is swept clear to the other side. I'll repeat that. From the retracted position, hit the start button, it brings it to the load position. Hit the start button, bring the ram forward to the load position, load a part between the wheels, add coolant, hit the start button again, it will rapid forward to grind, controlled stock removal rate, well closed, retract, and it sweeps the part clear to the other side. The servo cycle is a very repeatable and a very convenient way with less moving mechanical parts than our traditional automatic cycling unit. The machine controls are the start cycle, bring the ram forward to a set load position, cancel load position and resume to the grind, bring the ram forward to the zero position, dwell closed for spark out, and then rapid retract. With the touchscreen, you can go in and set the Infeed parameters, and I can set the retract position. To touch that button, you get a calculator keypad, and you can adjust your retract position. You can see the same for the load position, to the start grind for stock removal, and then the zero position for final size. You can set your velocities, including your grind velocity. Thrufeed grinding is done with the servo ram bed as well, setting ram position, seeing the work wheel ammeter, make a size adjustment manually through a manual comp, and then hit decrease or increase. Miscellaneous parameters can change from inch units to metric units, and now you'll display everything in millimeters. You can enable or disable the load position or the part sweep as shown here.